Yeah. Don't hit the cars. What you doing, Megan? Megan, look at me. Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
Throwing snowballs at the bushes.
You throwing snow day at the bushes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you give me some more snowballs at the bushes?
I don't know. Where's your snowman?
What?
Where's your snowman?
A bucket snowman.
Where's your bucket snowman?
Over there.
Oh.
Look over there with the camera. Go around. See? That's how you fall in the bush.
Show me again. Oh, wow.
Can you do it?
I can't do it. I'm gonna go look at your snowman over here. Oh, you got a stick snowman.
Yeah.
He's little.
Oh, I have a stick. I want some berries for smelly.
Huh?
Berries like smellies. Smell. Yes.
Show me. Don't put it in your mouth. Spit it out. You don't put it in your mouth.
Wait, can you put the berries in the snow?
No.
They like smelly.
Look at me.
Cheese.
It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to get your snow hat on. Whoa, look.
Oh, I see it.